Hello dear students of class 8 and welcome to yet another online class of general knowledge. Dear children, today we are going to do a geography based fact chapter, geological wonders. Now before we move on to the chapter, let's discuss on what this particular word geology is. Geology, dear children, simply refers to study of earth, that is the rocks, soil and relief features. Geology, or in very simple words you can say study of rocks. You see, our earth has many structures which are very beautiful to look at. Our earth has many structures which are breathtaking, which are unbelievable, and the most awesome part of it is that they are all created naturally. No human being interfered in the creation of these geological wonders which we are going to read about. Remember, if you want to learn about any relief feature, if you want to understand any hill or any mountain or any valley, anything, the first thing you need to learn about is its geology. And today we are going to learn about few of the relief feature naturally created structures which are actually geological wonders. Means looking at them you won't be able to believe that they are actually there, and most importantly they are there naturally without any human interference. They were created. So let's begin with the chapter. We'll do it in the style of name the following. We'll read the question, we'll write the answer on the board, and I'll teach you how to spell and pronounce them. Alright, so let's begin. Number 1. This amazing place comprises around 1268 cone-shaped hills spread within an area of 50 square kilometers in Bohol, Philippines. The name of this wonder is, this particular wonder is called Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills. Yummy name once again. So Chocolate Hills are located in Bohol, Philippines, and they cover 50 square kilometer of area, and the total area is covered with around 1268 cone shaped hills. Cone shaped hills. All right, now coming to number 2, it is a red rock stunner on the border of Arizona and Utah, USA. It is made up of 190 million year old sand dunes that have turned into rocks. It is only accessible by foot. The name of this wonder is, very simple name, the wave. The wave. You see, dear children, the wave is a rock stunner. Actually, it is not rock. It is 190 million year old sand dune. But as it is 190 million year old, over the time the sand solidified and turned into rock. And it is located on the border of Arizona and Utah. By Utah means USA. And it can only be reached by foot. No car, no aeroplane, no train. If you want to see the wave, you have to go on foot. Hence the wave. Coming to number 3, with a diameter of about 40 kilometers, this spectacular landform in Mauritania, that is Sahara Desert, known as the Eye of Sahara. The name of this wonder is Ricard structure. Ricard structure. So you see, Ricard structure has a diameter of around 40 kilometers and it is located in Mauritania, that is Sahara Desert, and being round in shape, it is also known as the Eye of Sahara. Hence the Ricard structure. Now dear children, coming to the next, this is called the cotton castle or white castle because of the whiteness caused by deposition of calcium carbonate in high amount. Now calcium carbonate has deposited here in such high amount that the whole place has turned really white, like primer white, and hence it is also called cotton castle or white castle. This beautiful place in Turkey, this place is located in Turkey, has 17 hot water springs heated by an underground volcano. Under this particular structure, there is a volcano which heats up 17 water springs. The healing properties of this area attract many people across the world. Taking bath, sitting in a hot water spring has many healing properties. It heals your body, especially the pains. If you have knee pain or back pain or any other kind of pain, it heals. And it has attracted many people all around the world. It was recognized as a UNESCO, United Nations branch, UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988. And the name of this particular wonder is Pamukkale. Pamukkale. So once again I'll read out for you. Okay, the first one, this amazing place comprises around 1268 cone shaped hills spread within an area of 50 square kilometer in Bohol, Philippines. The name of this wonder is Chocolate Hills. Choccolate, Chocolate, Hills, Chocolate Hills. Number 2, it is a red rock stunner. Stunner means very wonderful to look at. On the border of Arizona and Utah. Utah is a place in USA. It is made of 190 million year old sand dunes that have turned into rocks. It is only accessible by foot. You want to reach it, the only way you are going to get there is by foot. And the name of this wonder is the Wave. The Wave. The Wave. And number 3, with a diameter of about 40 kilometers, this spectacular landform in Mauritania, that is Sahara Desert, is known as the Eye of Sahara. It is round in structure. It has a diameter, means if this is the structure from one end to another end, from here to here, this is 40 kilometers, not 1 or 2 meters, 40 kilometers. And this is located in Mauritania in Sahara Desert, and it is also known as the Eye of Sahara. The Eye of Sahara. And the name of this wonder is Richat structure. R-I-C-H-A-T. Richat. S-T-R-U-C-T-U-R-E. Structure. Once again I'll spell and pronounce for you. R-I-C-H-A-T. Richat. S-T-R-U-C-T-U-R-E. Structure. Richat structure. Coming to number 4. This is called Cotton Castle or White Castle because of the whiteness caused by deposition of calcium carbonate in high amount. This beautiful place in Turkey has 17 hot water springs. Hot water spring is a spring of water that comes from underground, and it is hot because it is being heated by an underground volcano. So this beautiful place in Turkey has 17 hot water springs heated by an underground volcano. The healing properties of this area has attracted many people across the world. You see, many people from around the world, they go to Turkey to visit White Castle because this particular area has many healing properties. It heals many diseases and pains. It was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988. In 1988, a branch of United Nations organization, that is the UNESCO, declared it a World Heritage Site. And this particular place, the name of this wonder is Pamukkale. 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 Okay. Now, apart from all this, there is a fifth one. This fifth one is from your quiz time. Okay, quiz time. This particular place is located in China. This particular place is located in China, and it is also called roof of the world. It is also called roof of the world. It is called roof of the world because in terms of the relief features, it is the highest. It is the highest. It is located at a very high elevation, not as high as Mount Everest, but in elevation, that is height from the mean sea level, it is very high, hence it is called roof of the world. This particular place is known as Tibetan Plateau. Tibetan Plateau. Tibetan. Tibetan. Plateau. Plateau. Tibetan Plateau. And sixth one. This particular wonder, geological wonder, is located in United States of America, that is USA, and it is a form of limestone deposited by mineral springs, especially hot springs. Means all the underground hot spring that spring out, they throw up limestone. The limestone has deposited there over time, and it has led to formation of this particular place, which is also known as excuse me, it is also known as travertine deposits. Travertine. Travertine. Deposits. Okay, so let me spell it for you. Travertine. 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 Deposits. Deposits. Travertine deposits. And before we end this, there is this amazing fact here that I must read for you. Crystal Cave of Mexico gives the view of the world's largest known crystal formation. In Mexico, there is a crystal cave, and this crystal cave is the world's largest naturally formed crystal structure. The crystal beams within the cave have a height of 36 feet and measure a temperature about 50 degrees Celsius. Now the crystals hang or are in a pillar shaped within the cave itself, alright, and the height of these crystals are 36 feet, and inside the cave the temperature reaches as high as 50 degree Celsius. 50 degree Celsius, hence a very beautiful structure. In fact, dear children, the crystal caves were shown in a very old Superman movie. Back in the days 1986-87, when the Superman movie was shown, it was shown as a place of isolation for Superman, and this particular crystal cave was shown there. In fact, these places are so beautiful, I am damn sure in one or the other movie these places have been shown. These places have been depicted because they are geological wonders. They are very beautiful to look at, hence they are very good for shooting movies. So dear children, your work as usual will be to write all the clues, questions name wise, and write their answers. Remember, 4 are from the chapter and 2 are quiz time. You'll write all the 6 in your GK notebook, and for questions you will refer to the video. For questions and answers you will refer to the video. Also dear children, before I end this video, I would like to tell you, last time when there was a weekly test, the turnout was not up to mark. Dear children, you need to take the test very seriously. You are a class of around 80 to 90 students roughly, so you must take these tests very seriously. Don't consider them simple weekly tests and ignore them. You must take this test seriously, and you must participate in every weekly test that's given Don't ignore them. Your academic performance is being reviewed on the basis of these tests only. So next time when there is a GK weekly test, which will be very soon, I assure you, I expect a full turnout. Thank you very much. Stay safe.